Hi everyone, I'm happy to be here today. As you can see, I'm going to be working on a tray today, and as you can also see, I have tons and tons of colors. So yes, I have a rainbow, but my idea behind my colors today is going to be to represent all the chakras. So I'm going to be doing a middle, well, not exactly a middle line, but I'll have some white negative space as well as some black negative space with a nice chakra line in the middle, which is what I'm kind of hoping for. So all of my colors today have Floetrol, water, and I'm trying this new silicone oil today, so I'm excited to see the results of that. And I will probably use my blow pen with the compressor. So that's about it. I hope it turns out nicely. This tray is for somebody very special that I love very much. So I hope it comes out nice. So overall, I'm so happy with the results and the outcome of this piece, and I hope that the person I made it for is going to be just as happy, if not more. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!